I want to talk about knee sounds today. The causes of knee sounds can be pathological, like a meniscus tear or a piece of bone inside the knee, or they might not be pathological at all and could be due to the movement of muscles and ligaments over the bone and bony prominences, which usually don't require any treatment. However, if there are pathological causes, surgical treatment is definitely needed. Thank you. The ligaments move over the bone and bony prominences, which usually don't require any treatment. However, if there are pathological causes, surgical treatment is definitely necessary. Thank you.